Ready to unlock a treasure trove of products and turn your Wix website into a dropshipping powerhouse? Let's dive into adding AliExpress goodies to your Wix store. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and click on Apps, then select Visit App Market. In the search bar, type AliExpress Dropshipping and hit Enter. Among the results, you'll find a few options, but we are going to use DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on the app and then click the Add to Site button. Wix will then ask for permissions for the app to access parts of your website. Click on the Allow button to proceed with the installation. After installation, you will be redirected to the DSers dashboard. Here, you will be prompted to connect your AliExpress account. Click on the button to connect. It will take you to AliExpress page to login. Enter your AliExpress account credentials such as email and password. Then click Sign In. Follow any additional verification steps prompted by AliExpress. Now, browse AliExpress for products you want to sell and import them directly to your DSers dashboard. Customize product descriptions, pricing, and images to fit your brand. Then, you can push that product directly to your Wix store. Congratulations, your chosen product is now live on your Wix website and ready for sale. Now you're ready to start selling and growing your dropshipping business.